Hi everyone, I'm Chibuike, and in this video we'll learn how to create a part from a 3D object. So open your 3D editor and create a model of the object you would like to create a part from. Then save this object as an SAT file in a directory where you could refer to it later. Then open robotstudio. Under the Home tab, import your geometry, and then robotstudio will add it in the Layout tab under the Components list. It will create it as a new component and also import it into the view, which is over there. So drag this AutoPart object onto the table that we created earlier and select yes that you want to update the position, and this would make the position of the object relative to our table surface. Now we can right click and offset its position. Now that we have our object on our table, we can create a new part from it by going to the Home tab and selecting AutoPart. Now go around your object and select the edges that you would like to add to the part. So this creates all the targets necessary for you to draw the selected part. After selecting all the parts you would like to add, click the Create button and close. So under the Home tab, in the Parts tab, there is a new part that's been added for you, which is this part that we just created. We'll rename this and also under the Work Object and Target, in our selected Work Object, we have new targets that have been created for us. We can copy the orientation of our home points that we defined earlier and apply it to all the other targets. This way they all have a uniform orientation. Next, we can go into the part that was created. Under auto configuration, would tell it to auto configure all the parts, all the move instructions that have been created in this part. And now we can test to see that our part was created successfully by moving along the part. And we can see that robotstudio executed this correctly.